Hi friends. So if you are a consultant and if you are looking for free resumes, where to get and all, like relevant free resumes from Naukri or any portal. So like even Naukri also we have option like to check free resumes, but here we can we are able to send only emails. If you will take premium, then you can contact them mobile number directly like that. But without premium you can send a email. So we'll show you how it is. So first you have to create one account. Okay, so in Google you can search this. After that you have to open this link, or else we'll share this link in description box so that you can open this directly. So once you will open, after registration it will show like this. Before that you have to open this link. So you have to create your company details and all. So your company name, email id, mobile number, contact person. Okay, so pin code, gst details, all the details you have to enter and you have to click. So once you log in, then you can do this. Hi friends, we can search CVs from Naukri Redex also, free CVs. From this, like we can send only email to all the candidates. So I'll show you how it is. Like you have to open like this. Okay, first you have to register. Okay, register your recruiter details and all. As a recruiter, you have to create your profile and all. After that this will be the search. Okay, so here you can give like now I just given like full stack developer Node React Node.js. Okay, so here you can write experience 2 to 6 years. So CTC I can give like a 10 to 12 lakhs. So here we have option like only like so we require only anywhere in south, so we can select like this. Okay, so after that you can come back, you can come down, and here I am just giving notice period 1 month. Okay, and remaining I am just clicking here verified mobile number, email id and attached CV. So you have to give find resume. Okay, so once we'll give find resume like this, we can get. See, now I got like a developer with React.js. So like this you can search the resumes. Okay, so in this you can modify and you can give a search also. Okay, so now 1 second. So if I want to give another search, React Node.js, just 4 to 6 years. Okay, I'll mention CTC like a from 4 lakh to 12 lakh I am mentioning. Okay, so that we'll get many profiles. So currently serving notice period I am checking here. We'll see how many profiles we'll get. So these are the people like who are all in notice period. So now I just click this resume. Okay, so I got this resume. So what I'll do, so he is already having the skills and all. So he have Node.js, React and all. So here we can send a mail. Okay, so here you have to click send email. So here you have to enter your email id. So I'll just entering my email id. So here once you'll enter your email ID, you have to write here the job title. Okay, so I'll write full stack developer. Okay, so here we have to select 2 to 4 years, 2 to 6 years. All right, so CTC max we can give 10 to 12. Okay, location we need to select, and here I already prepared one format, so I am just adding this format. So with my JD and all, I am just sharing. So preview, it will show like this. So dear candidate, so I am sharing these complete details. So if they are interested, they will send with this CTC details and all. Okay, so here you need to click on send. So it will go to this particular candidate. So if he is really interested, then they will call you back. It's like that. So my father used to tell, knowledge is divine. If we'll share knowledge, it may be useful to many people. If we learn something and if you share with people, then it is useful to many people. So because of that only, even I have shared this video. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Thank you all. Bye.